everyone, welcome back to Azka Online Tutors. Today we're going to talk about the levels of organization. So have you ever thought about how your body is built in such an organized way that everything works perfectly together? For something extremely small like a cell, all the way up to a complete living human being, everything is connected in a proper system. Our body is not just a collection of random cells. These cells are organized in a very specific way, and today we're going to learn about the 5 levels of organizations. Let's start from the smallest level and work our way up. So the cells. The first and smallest level is the cell. A cell is the basic unit of life. Every living organism is made up of cells. Some organisms like bacteria are made up of only one cell. Those are called the unicellular organisms. Others like humans, plants and animals are made up of many cells. The multicellular organisms. Our bodies contain many different types of cells and each type has its own job. For example, the red blood cells carry oxygen, nerve cells carry messages around the body, and muscle cells help us move. So the cells are the tiny building blocks that make up living things. Tissues. When many similar cells work together to do the same job, they form a tissue. For example, many muscle cells work together to form a muscle tissue, and the muscle tissue helps different parts of our body move. Another example is the nervous tissue, which helps carry message around the body. So we can remember it like similar cells working together can be a tissue. Think of it like a football team. One player can play the game, but when many players work together, they form a team. In the same way, cells working together form a tissue. Then comes the organ. An organ is made up of different tissues working together to perform a particular job. Let's take the heart as an example. The heart is an organ, and different tissues inside the heart work together to pump blood around the body. The stomach is another example of an organ. Different tissues in the stomach work together to help digest the food that we eat. So always remember that cells form tissues and different tissues form the organ. Now let's move to the 4th level, the organ system. An organ system is a group of organs that work together to perform a major job in the body. For example, the digestive system contains several organs that work together to digest and absorb nutrients. The mouth, stomach, small intestine and large intestine are some of the organs involved in the process. Another example can be the respiratory system or the circulatory system. It includes the lungs, the structure that work together to help us breathe, take oxygen into the body. And in circulatory system, we have the major organ, heart. So different organs working together form an organ system. Then comes the organism. Finally, we reach the last level, the organism. An organism is a complete living thing. You are an organism, a cat is an organism, a tree is an organism. In a human, all different organ systems work together to keep the body alive. For example, the digestive system gets nutrients from the food, the respiratory system brings oxygen into the body, the circulatory system carries oxygen and nutrients around the body. So all these systems that work together to keep you alive, that complete living thing is called organism. Now let's put everything together. Think about your heart. You have individual heart cells. These work together to form the tissue. Then different tissues work together to form the heart, which is an organ. And the heart then works with other organs as part of the circulatory system, and the circulatory system works together with all the other systems in your body to make you a complete organism. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you liked it.